YouTube TV doesn't have a manual change time setting like traditional cable boxes. Instead, the time displayed in your guide is automatically linked to your home area and your device's location settings. If your guide is showing the wrong time or incorrect local channels, here's how to fix it instantly. Start by checking your home area, since this is the main factor that determines your time zone. Open YouTube TV. Tap your profile icon, go to Settings, Area, Home Area. Make sure your ZIP code and city match where you actually live. If they don't, update your home area. But remember, you can only change it twice per year. Next, check your device's location services. On phones or tablets, enable location access for YouTube TV. On browsers, click the lock icon next to the URL and allow your location. If YouTube TV can't verify where you are, it may shift your guide into a different time zone. Also, turn off any VPN or proxy. Even a background VPN can place you in a completely different state or city, which throws off both time and channel lineup. Once location is correct, YouTube TV will automatically adjust the time in your live guide. No extra steps needed, just proper location verification.